What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today, we're going to be going over Baby Doge. Baby Doge has been pumping right now, so we're going to be talking about where it's going to be going next and all that good stuff. So, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. If you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And also, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. And this video is brought to you by marsellis.beatstars.com if you need background music for your YouTube videos or if you just need beats for your music. And also, before we start this video, I just want to let you know I have the beer virus, I guess we could say. So you can see it inside my face and the way I'm talking. I feel really bad right now, but I'm still going to make this video for you all, but I may be sniffing and coughing here and there. So bear with me. But anyways, let's go straight over Baby Doge. So the first thing I want to talk about is this nice pump that Baby Doge is having. Actually, if you look over here, you can see Baby Doge up 7.6% for the last 24 hours, 8.4% now. It's been pumping like crazy. Yet Bitcoin only up 3%, and Ethereum, we're like neck and neck with Ethereum right now. But it's definitely good. I've been seeing everything inside of the crypto market bullish lately, but I just want to show you a few things here with Baby Doge. So the first thing I do want to mention here is we could be seeing a pullback in Baby Doge. And before I even show you that, like this pullback could be here to the support, and that's going to be at the 145 area, somewhere around there. But I'm going to tell you something about Baby Doge right now. So yesterday, I did this technical analysis, and this is pretty much where it had us. It was showing like, look, if we were bearish, we would first go down to the 1250 support, and then all the way down to the support down here. Like it would be a huge drop. But we weren't bearish; it was bullish. So that's definitely nice. And this was the bullish scenario I came up with yesterday. And also, I had my little consolidation here from the 22nd, and we definitely came out here on the top. I always mention whenever we come out of consolidation periods like this, what usually ends up happening is we like break out on a downtrend pretty much, and then we hit the support, but then we start to become bullish. We never really become bullish immediately out of our consolidation periods. So this whole area right here is our consolidation, and yeah, that's really what helped us become bullish, this whole area here. So I want to mention a few other things here with the technical analysis I did yesterday. So yesterday I mentioned where we would be going next with Baby Doge. So I'm going to show you that now. Baby Doge is going all the way up here to this resistance, but like I said, expect a minor pullback back down to this little support here. It was our previous resistance, but notice how we bounced off of it right here. Then it became our support pretty much. So now you'll probably end up seeing Baby Doge bounce off the support. I know it looks small, but now it looks bigger because I put it in the auto. But yeah, we have huge potential here to go up with Baby Doge. But like I said, our next area for Baby Doge will be all the way up here at the 1670 resistance. So definitely expect to see 1670 for Baby Doge pretty soon. And I don't know when it's going to happen, but this is exactly the pattern that we're heading to. So you could see 1670 coming soon or later. Also up here, this is the next resistance at 1800. So that would be after our 1670 resistance. And then you would probably end up seeing a pullback from there. And if you're wondering where I got these resistance from, it was back here. Back here, we had the same resistance level here, and then we had the same resistance level up here. So that's why I pretty much, deemed those as our resistance levels. And then you got another one up here at the Fibonacci at 23. I think this is around about 2310 right here. So that's what we got for our resistance and our supports here for Baby Doge. Remember, this is just a 15M chart. So it's a little bit short term, but we are bullish in the last 24 hours by 80% by the bulls. So that's pretty good. And then over here, you can see all this buying volume. So it's only expected that we get some selling volume coming in now. Like I said, you're probably going to end up seeing Baby Doge going back down to this little support here. It's a really small support, so I wouldn't really be too worried about it. But yeah, everything's still going the same as yesterday. We're still going in that same direction. So I'm happy that we didn't go on the bearish side. So I'm going to go ahead and take off these the bearish drawings after I'm done with this. But anyways, also the 4-hour chart. That's what I also want to talk about here. So the 4-hour chart is the long term for Baby Doge. And pretty much what you're seeing here right now for the 4-hour chart is Baby Doge is going up here to this resistance. So you're probably going to end up seeing Baby Doge going all the way up here. Like I said, to the 1670, you can still see that resistance line right here. And it's pretty much at the same area here for Baby Doge. So you can also see the next one up here. So it's way more obvious when you look at it from this point of view. But when we do get up to 1800, just know there's going to be a huge resistance at 1800. this whole red area is supply and demand of less demand. So there's less demand in this area. So since there's less demand, we're probably going to have a huge pullback, just kind of like how we did back here. But except this time, it'll probably only pull back to this previous resistance. And then this resistance will then become our support down here. And then if we're continuing to be bullish, then you're going to see it go up to this Fibonacci chasing at the 2300 area. So that's pretty much what we have here for the technicals with Baby Doge. And this is, see, I'm coughing right here. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you for the Baby Doge technical. Now you have to look at Bitcoin though, because Bitcoin is at a very, very pivotal point. So at any moment right now, Bitcoin could do a reversal to the downside. But I just want to show this little resistance here. The fact that we're still on this resistance line, the fact that we haven't went down below that yet, and we've been on it all day. So it's really the short term because, like I said, this is the 15M chart. But still, we've been on this resistance all day, and it kind of looks like it may break out here. But if it doesn't, you have to expect our next support here for Bitcoin. If we break down below that, you could see Bitcoin going all the way back down to 19K. I know that a lot of people don't want to see Bitcoin going back down to 19K, but it's possible if we do not break above this resistance up here. And this resistance is pretty much around 21.3K. So right now we're pretty much at that resistance. We're just laying on that line right now. So I'm really, really excited to see what happens. Now I am looking at it right now, and you can see some red candlesticks forming like right above it or right around in these green candlesticks, which indicates there is selling coming in. You could even see here on the oscillator, it's about to go down on the downside. So you see this wave going down. Now it could be like this wave back here where it went up, down just a little bit and then kept going. But if it isn't like that, then it's going to go straight down into like an oversold area like this. So hopefully we can get some purchasing coming in for Bitcoin, and then that'll help the whole overall crypto market too. But like I said, Baby Doge is doing better than pretty much every single crypto. Not really. That's actually a lie. We got XRP up here up 10% for the day, Ethereum 8.4%. But Baby Doge is doing fairly well compared to a lot of other cryptos, especially Bitcoin. If you look over here, I wonder why USD coin's not up by any. Maybe. But anyways, Binance, I know that was a poor joke right there, but Baby Dogecoin, I mean regular Dogecoin, 6.4% for the day, should be 9.4%. So we're up there with the big boys. So this is pretty good for Baby Doge. Now, moving on from that, I want to show you the burns that we have today. We burned a lot of Baby Doge today, and you can actually see it right here. So we have the 1 day burn here for Baby Doge. On the last day, we burned $14,000. It was totaled out to be 9.7 trillion Baby Doge. So that's a lot, or not trillion, 14,000. Yeah, 9.7 trillion. And then the past week, we burned 107,000 with Baby Doge, and that's 70 trillion Baby Doge burned. So this is pretty astounding. And you see over here, 5 million burned in the last month. That's including our manual burn. But yeah, we're burning a lot of Baby Doge. That was 3.3 quadrillion burned in 1 month. You got to think, we're also going to be having more burns coming into July. And then on top of that, you also want to think about the Baby Doge swap. They said either the end of this month or the end of next month, Baby Doge swap is coming out. So we should be getting that soon. And then the wallet, I think, is coming out after the Baby Doge swap, maybe like a month after. So we may see the wallet coming inside of August. And then we may see inside of July the swap coming out. So that's all good news right there. And now over here, this is something that someone in the Baby Doge army mentioned, which is very, very true. Came from Responsible Luck 9082. So shout out to Responsible Luck over here. We've got Responsible Luck. So anyways, this is very true. It says in bull markets, investors are often blind towards the risk and only see opportunities. In bear markets, investors often are blind towards the opportunities and only see risk. So this is pretty big. Stay strong, everybody. This is exactly what everyone needs to hear, because like we're like inside of some bad times right now in the crypto market. And I know a lot of people are tempted to sell. Even me myself, I'm tempted at times, especially now, because now I can't really go to work, and like probably it's going to take me 2 weeks to not be sick. So now I'm going to be out without money, for 2 weeks. So I might actually have to pull some from Baby Doge so I can pay those bills, because I'm just like you all. I'm not rich. Work a regular job like most people, but let's just pray that we just have a huge bullish run right now, because that's what I really want to see. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section, and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also remember, if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and join. I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And also, this video was brought to you by Marsellis.beatstars.com. If you need background music for your YouTube channel, or if you need beats for your music, I got you. And as always, remember, this isn't financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. As always, I'll be back with another video.